Welcome to the World Interfaith Harmony Week Peace Camp 2024. And this activity, this Peace Camp, was really initiated by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And it's a very beautiful tool to foster friendship and peace. Welcome, and hopefully everyone enjoys and become friends after this day.
This is your first time, and you know what? We have some exciting activities stored for you.
Intention of promoting harmony and peace to all the citizens of the world. This celebration is based on the common word, what is common to each of us regardless of our religion.
What is interfaith? Interfaith is a gathering of various religions united in their belief of love and peace.
Yung interfaith po is, for me, is yung gathering po ng mga religions together, sharing their love.
So what do I expect in this interfaith activity? Of course, just like others, I'm expecting to gain new friends, of course. And apart from that, I'd also like to witness the youth's love for their faith, and of course, to rediscover their faith with their brothers and sisters.
Mag-enjoy din sa activity na ito, at ganoon din magkaroon ng friendships between our groups especially, and sa iba pang mga team na meron dito.
If I would describe this interfaith conference in one word, it would be diverse.
Teamwork. A blessing.
Wisdom.
Spiritual.
It is unity.
What a wonderful opportunity to be here at the FSY facility and join the worldwide celebration for the World Interfaith Harmony Week. It's a blessing for us as Filipinos to come together from different beliefs and backgrounds, to come together with solidarity and peace. It's a privilege also to be with this youth, that the message of compassion and also of love to oneself, that we may make this world a better place to live in. Maraming salamat po.